Hi everyone! Today I'm reviewing the humble Crew Natural Wood and White Kids Toy Organiser with the 12 storage bins. I purchased the item because I needed a way to organise my daughter's toys and to keep the playroom tidy, and after researching various options, I found this organiser to have the best balance of functionality and aesthetics. We've been using this product now for about the last 4 months, and it's made a significant difference in how we manage the toy storage. I love using the organiser for storing all kinds of toys, from blocks to cars, to my daughter's little people dolls, and to various fidget toys. The bins are so spacious and hold a great amount of toys, making it easy for my child to see and access everything. Some of the features in this organiser include its very sturdy wood frame and the removable white plastic storage bins in white. The bins are easy to clean and durable, making them perfect for everyday use. The organiser's height is just right for children, allowing them to easily access the toys. My experience with the organiser so far has been amazing. The assembly was straightforward and it didn't take much time to assemble. It's quite sturdy and is held up well from the daily wear and tear for my active child, and the neutral colours also blend nicely with the home decor. My final thoughts: I highly recommend the Humble Crew Toy Organiser. It's been so practical and a stylish solution for keeping my daughter's toys easily accessible. And if you're looking for a way to declutter your child's play area, this organiser is definitely worth considering. It's a great way to swap out different toys and activities each way, ensuring that it's new and exciting for your children.